He welcomed to Brains Pump for 10th August 2024 current affairs. Which international organization is actively assisting refugees with gender-sensitive programming? Option A. UNESCO. B. UNHCR. C. WHO. D. UNICEF. Answer B. UNHCR. The Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Gramin, PMAG, for which financial years has been recently approved by the Union Cabinet? Option A. 2024 to 25 to 2027 to 28. B. 2025 to 26 to 2029 to 30. C. 2024 to 25 to 2028 to 29. D. 2023 to 24 to 2027 to 28. Answer C. 2024 to 25 to 2028 to 29. Which ocean structure names were mentioned as being associated with Indian emperors like Ashoka and Chandragupta? Option A. Indian Ocean. B. Bay of Bengal. C. Pacific Ocean. D. Arabian Sea. Answer D. Arabian Sea. The Har Ghar Tiranga campaign will be celebrated from which dates? Option A. 7th to 14th August. B. 8th to 14th August. C. 9th to 15th August. D. 6th to 14th August. Answer D. 6th to 14th August. India held its 4th Foreign Office consultation with which country recently? Option A. Zambia. B. Cambodia. C. Singapore. D. South Africa. Answer D. South Africa. Which organization is set to create a new department dedicated to the standardization of Ayush practices? Option A. Telecommunication Engineering Center. B. Automotive Research Association of India. C. Research Design and Standards Organization. D. Bureau of Indian Standards. Answer D. Bureau of Indian Standards. A committee has been formed by the Indian government to monitor the situation along the Bangladesh border. How many members does this committee have? Option A 2. B 3. C 4. D 5. Answer D 5. Which ministry launched the Hathi app to aid in elephant conservation efforts? Option A. Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. B. Ministry of Animal Husbandry. C. Ministry of Rural Development. D. Ministry of Agriculture. Answer A. Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. The Joint Parliamentary Committee, JPC, has been formed to review which important bill? Option A. Data Protection Bill. B. Waqf Amendment Bill 2024. C. Electoral Reforms Bill. D. Land Acquisition Bill. Answer B. Waqf Amendment Bill 2024. What is the weight category of the recently victorious Indian athlete in the international wrestling competition? Option A. 57 kilograms. B. 60 kilograms. C. 61 kilograms. D. 63 kilograms. Answer D. 63 kilograms. Subscribe Brains Pump for learn more.